Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the watch is in its normal timekeeping mode and not stuck in alarm or timer. This is why it beeps every hour. Once done, inspect battery strength. Low voltage can trigger chimes. Make sure you have the model number or manual at hand because button sequences differ by model. Now press and hold the main mode button for 2-3 seconds to enter settings. This begins the process to locate hourly chime controls. Once in settings, cycle through modes using mode and watch for labels like chime, sig, or hourly. You press adjust or the up/down buttons to step into that menu. This is where the hourly signal lives. If the watch shows on or a small bell icon, that tells you why it beeps. Toggle it to OFF. Make sure to confirm changes by pressing the same button used to enter settings. Otherwise, the watch often reverts and the chime returns. After toggling the hourly chime off, save and exit settings so the change sticks. Many watches need a specific save or exit press. Then observe until the next hour to verify silence. This confirms success. If it still beeps, perform a soft reset or remove the battery for 10 seconds to clear stuck flags. If problems persist, contact the manufacturer with your model number and firmware. They can advise if it's a hardware fault or a deeper software setting causing repeated beeps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.